name orejigo. Okwa diga abụọ. Asingro okwa diga abụọ. Hey, una nukwa nke nna anu baba. Una nukwa nke nna anu. Hey, mbaka. Hey, ntime ejugo biko mbaka. Hey, onye agọtakwa n'alụnụ mmadụ. Mbaka. Ami, calm down. Maka ihe a m nụrụ kịta ọ na-egwu m ahụ ọkụ. Ami, calm down. Ọhụrụ marụ mbaka. Unu mara ibe na-afịa ọnụ maka otu Lovet shi wee jee na nke Evangelist Ebuka Obi wee jee nye fake testimony. Kemgbe ahụ anyị wụ ndị bloggers anyị na-eshia na n'ime na-ajụ kedu onye yi uwe ọcha ahụ wee gafee ebe ahụ, kedu ibe fada ahụ na-atụ saịdị ahụ, anyị na-eshia na n'ime. Ehe, nwere onye kwere akpọ okwu agha ewere na mgbede ekpukete nso kpọta ndị ya adụ unu gọvanọ akụkọ dị ife na-eme. Bịaka m kọrọ ụgwọ nwanne m vava anụnwa ka kedu nke a na-akpọ Cynthia nyanwụ nke nwe shop ebe Lovet nọ na-ata abacha. In fact, mana abada gị alawụla Lovet. Avia wodo Lovet, that's no Helen mba abacha. Na avia. Anyị ekwuru sef na the girl ka ọ wụrụ onye Igbo. Akụkọ karị. Mana this girl na-agwa gị ashina ọwụ onye Anambra, but a na-ekwu na ọmara Igbo asụ. A na-achị na ọwụrụ onye Anambra. Ọwụrụ onye Enugu. Nwụrụ imo ebe Chukwu ekwukwara ya na onye Anambra. Eweju onye share. Reverend Father ahụ bịara ebe ahụ. Kedu ive ọ bịara ịchọ o so wee bịa mee the video ọ hụrụ iru ya. Ihe mụcha m wee sị ka ọ gwa anyị eziokwu. Na Reverend Father ahụ anyị hụrụ azụ ya. Nnọọ biko ụlọ n'ọnụ m ka unu ya anụ ya. Sị ka m tinye ka unu gee mbakakwu. Gekwa ntị.
Tell us what you know about that priest. That's what everybody want to hear. No be the one way you go talk now, you go cut again, we go start afresh.
Okay. So that priest, nothing concerned that priest with what is going on. You see that video? That video that I just took for that place that day. That priest is not there. The priest is very far. The priest is where that people is walking his car. So nothing concerns a priest.
Is there a mechanic there?
Yes.
So if we go meet the mechanic people where they there now, the mechanic people got test the priest now where they work there.
Yes.
But talk to, do you know the priest if you see the priest?
Priest, no.
You've never seen the priest before?
I have never seen the priest.
And the priest did not come there with that girl?
The girl is with me before the priest came.
Okay.
The priest and the girl did not talk anything?
What's the concept of the priest and with that girl?
The Catholic Church? Yes.
Catholic Church.
Within that your place?
Yes, but it's far.
It's far.
So, what you're trying to say is that the priest that appeared in your mirror
yes,
was not there with you people, and he didn't even speak with you people?
Nothing concerned. Are you not seeing people that are standing behind the priest? The priest, people that are standing with the priest.
Okay, now, how long have you been selling something in that particular spot?
But now my shop.
Yes.
Is over 9 years now.
Okay. Do you have relationship? Like, are you in good terms with the mechanic people who are working that place? You see that you say that that's where the Reverend Father is.
I lived there before that mechanic people came.
What's the name of the mechanic person?
There is not only one person that working there. It is not only one person.
But,
there are many.
But can you tell the actual mechanic who the person was in the Reverend Father was in the shop?
That the Reverend Father is with.
Yeah, do you know the mechanic?
I know all the mechanic that is there now.
But try and understand what I'm asking you.
Okay.
The actual mechanic that the Reverend Father parked his car where they are working. Do you know the can you, like, I know that this might not be your concern because maybe it's not what you expected. Maybe you say, okay, make you concentrate and know the there. But if you go down mechanic place, can you be able to know the actual mechanic person will walk down Reverend Father car?
See what I will ask. I will ask because they are all my neighbor.
Yeah.
But the Reverend Father, you know Father Mbaka if you see Father Mbaka.
Gente.
I know Father Mbaka now.
Gente.
The Reverend Father resemble Father Mbaka.
Jesus. You people just the wine. How can Reverend Father Mbaka will just come in that kind of place to do what?
Whoa.
No, we just want to be clear. This is question we are asking. Because some people that knows Father Mbaka very well say that yes. the stature of the person
is Father Ebuka Obi. I see everybody talking online say it is Reverend Ebuka Obi, it is Reverend Father Ebuka Obi, it is Reverend Father Ebuka Obi that they sent. But I don't want to talk. It is because of this Reverend Father that I want to talk. I don't want to talk about these things. It is because of this Reverend Father. Because they be carrying my shop and I with the girl be trading around. That one is not my problem. But once they started calling that Reverend Father, that is why I got angry. Started looking for a way. So that I have come in public, tell people say, this Reverend Father that you people are talking about, don't even as near my shop. This Reverend Father, we don't even know him.
Okay,
now, because you've given us another point that the Reverend Father was walking car in the mechanic.
Yes.
So, and if we carry the investigation, come your shop, you can take us to those mechanic people where they there. We will feel ask no which extra mechanic work at the let's be reading questions. So if there's any question there, you can ask.
I will even like it if you people can come face to face. Let's just settle this matter once and for all. I will even like it like that.
Yay!
Okay, if you have question for this girl, please, you can ask your question here. Or probably they're asking you, do you know where the Lovett is from? Is she sleeping?
I'm not sleeping.
They say, do you know where the Lovett is from?
Lovett, that people claims that I know. Lovett told me that she's from Anambra State.
Holy Ghost fire.
Not Enugu.
No, Anambra.
Why from Ebuka Obi ministry? Lovett says that she's from Enugu State.
Maybe she was saying she came from Enugu in terms of where she's living. But in terms of her state of origin, she might be from Anambra.
Shake all voice on the channel there. She's not from Anambra.
Hardly speak Igbo.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
She hardly speak Igbo.
That's why I said, let you guys leave all these things tomorrow.
Talk.
I will come online. We like to do this thing so that people will be seeing my face and see who is talking.
You just want to trend.
Not be like something
They are seeing your handle. If they want to see your face, they will click your handle and see
they
your
see
face.
your face, Amazon.
Okay.
She want to trend.
So which other question are they asking? It's not on WhatsApp, it's normal Nigerian number. If you call it, it's a normal Nigerian number.
For this question. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Go ahead.
That's day that I went police station. Police people was asking me, do I know her name? I said no, that I don't know her name. But there is a paper that she jotted account number down for me and with her name. But me, as somebody that I don't want to be serious with like that, but in this case, corporate. So we just do transaction, forget about everything about her. Till that day, that police people, came to my shop and picked me because of her. So now when I got to police station, they now started checking and collected my phone from me, go to WhatsApp, through chatting of her and me, and thought that her name is Helen. And then at that time when I can't recall my memory, say yes, that is the truth. Her name is Helen. Is it Helen Alum? I've been a Helen waiting. If I go,
is it Alum
Abacha?
Yeah, exactly. When I go to shop tomorrow on my POS, her name still there. I will check it.
In fact, guys, okay, to go, I will cut to the other part post. I like a video to go. So I will cut to the other part. Their important question. I will post it. They think to go over 1 hour. This thing. So make this one can get cut to the other one. Sure, you guys don't hear them now. Mbaka no go there. Allegedly, as they said, has Mbaka. I couldn't need Mbaka about. Now that priest, some of you nature no Mbaka. No priest typically rule near moto. Na mechanic no chadie. Na the priest abịara nso ebe ahụ. Nna coincidence nke anụwa. Kiko nna ekwensu chọrọ iru anụ otu a. Kiko shuru nọ mbọsị nka priest mana ọ ya alụ moto. Ekwensu chọrọ iru anụ ọ ya plan chichi ọfụma. But truth is coming out, right? Truth is coming out. So because during jide body can just cut to the other one. Hey, God help us. So call on the yard because this matter do me. Lovette be hege kwezoku ha kwolo na ndị abie Lovette aka ndị akpa anya eze gbanye ose n'ike ka eziokwu pụta n'ọnụ. That girl nwere ihe ọ na hide. You can't tell me that this girl plan all these things over herself. I don't believe it. Obu no do that Reverend Father. There's possibility that Reverend Father be lulu onwe ya moto. There's possibility, but again we dey another thing that girl obi oji mee ihe omel and only did if we know. Umunne no do no of maka nje wetelu unu ọzọ. Share to ndị ya do. Metụ aka na share button. Share this video now. You guys are not sharing.